Next we have is a reading comprehension passage with a set of 4 questions. Let's look at the questions. Question 1 says, which of the following statements can be inferred from the second paragraph of the passage? Option A says the Sumra dynasty has an enormous influence of flourishing Sindhi prose literature during the period. Although Sumra dynasty has been very important to Sindh, but we do not know whether prose literature was affected or not, because prose literature is not mentioned in the second paragraph. Hence A cannot be correct. Option B says the Sindhi language developed immensely and helped in the progress of community. Although during this period Sindhi language did develop immensely, we do not know whether it helped in the progress of community at large. So B will also become incorrect. C says Sindhi literature incorporated numerous literary influences from around the world. This has not been mentioned, or it has only been said that Sindhi literature developed immensely during this period and reached its golden phase. Hence, option D will become correct because it says that Sindhi literature reached its zenith during the Z period. Correct answer will become option D. Next question says, according to the author, which of the following is true about Sindhi literature and language? Option A says the Sindhi language originated from Arabic, Devanagari, Gurumukhi and Hatvaniki. Although these 4 languages were present before Sindhi language was developed, we do not know whether Sindhi developed from these languages or whether Sindhi is a culmination of these 4 languages. So option A will become incorrect. Option B says folk literature of Sindh reflects a mosaic of different literary elements. This is correct, as the author has talked about a variety of elements in the second paragraph of the passage. Option C says Imam Hafiz Abu Hatim al-Busti wrote in the Sindhi script. The Sindhi script was developed much after Imam Hafiz had lived, and hence option C is incorrect. Option D says the scripts used for Sindhi language before 53 were utilized by every section of the society. Now here the every section of society part is incorrect, and hence option D will also become incorrect. The correct answer to this question will become option B. Next question says, according to the author, why is Shah Jo Risalo considered a seminal work in Sindhi literature? Option A says, after getting published in Germany in 1886, Shah Jo Risalo introduced Sindhi literature to the Western world. Although this was a very important piece of literature, we do not know whether the introduction of Sindhi literature to the Western world happened through this work. So option A will become incorrect. Option B says Shah Jo Risalo reflects the poetic brilliance of the period. Shah Jo Risalo is considered a seminal work, but the poetic brilliance of that period is also reflected through other works. So this work may or may not actually have reflected the brilliance of this period to the world, and hence B is also incorrect. C says later works of Sindhi literature borrowed significant from Shah Jo Risalo. This is correct. The author mentions in the third paragraph that Shah Jo Risalo acted as the inspiration for later works of folk and drama and music. So option C will become the correct answer. Option D is incorrect because although we know that Shah Jo Risalo contains 7 folk tales, we are not sure whether the folk tales are romantic in nature or not. So romantic in nature part of this option is incorrect, and hence D is also incorrect. Let's look at our next question. The question says, why does the author feel that Razatul Ukala wa Nuzhaftul Fuzala has not been deciphered so far, although the work is written in Arabic? Although it is not stated why this work could not be deciphered, it can certainly be inferred that scholars could not interpret the Sindhi essence of the work because it was written in Arabic. The other options are not true according to the passage, and hence the correct answer will become option A, which says scholars could never feel the Sindhi essence because the work is primarily in Sindhi. Because the work which is primarily in Sindhi is written in Arabic. So the correct answer will become option A.